Right then, day 15, here we go. Harry Plobber, Harry Plobber. 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. There we go. Awesome. What have we got? Okay, we got another table with benches, some drink and some glasses. Okay. That's that one. I kind of like those benches. I mean, if you look at this picture on the front, even though it's got a hole in it right there, because my bad, you can see all the little benches and stuff that you can add to the build when you finished your build. So that's pretty cool. I do like that. Like I say, it's got a reason, unlike the others. Right, okay, so that's that one. Day 15, day 15, day 15. This one is Marvel. But this one, we've got another car. Okay. Alright, so that's that. Star Wars. What do we got in Star Wars? Day 15. Please give me a minifigure. Yes, but it's just a trooper with no Christmas theme at all. Okay, right, and then we got the city. City. Okay, we got a bunny. No need to build. Comes built. A huge bunny. Okay, right, so you know the score. Gonna build them, show you them when I'm finished. See you in a bit. Smash the like button. Don't forget, like button, please, if you would. Thank you. Well then, day 15, one minifig. Star Wars. Very festive. He's got a gun. You will enjoy your present. Okay, and there's his really happy face, happy smiley face. Really enjoying his Christmas break. Okay, so that's that done. There's the really massive build of the bunny. Yes, he's cute. So that's cool-ish. Maybe he can sit next to the stormtrooper or whatever he is. Yeah, there's the... oh, put that on back to front, didn't I? Dum-dum-ski. Let's put that... Okay, because it has got on the jar, it's got printed. And it's... I can't really read it. I don't know. Something. Anyway, so you've got a bench with that jar, a bottle and 2 glasses. So that's cool. Same build as the others. And then the Spidey car, which I really don't know. What am I missing something? Do they have lots of different cars in Spider-Man? Anyway, not one single festive one. I'm speechless. Okay, so moving on. Next one, day 16.